Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Mixed Story Lovers. In this video, I will tell you how to choose motorcycle insurance. Our topic is how to choose motorcycle insurance. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. So start our videos. How to choose motorcycle insurance. Buying motorcycle insurance, learn everything motorcycle owner need to know about how to choose motorcycle insurance in order to make the right decision. Most states require that motorcycle owners comply with financial responsibility laws. State want to know that you can pay for personal injuries and property damage resulting for accident that you caused. Some states such as Florida require proof that you have the financial means to pay claim arising from accident that are your fault in order to register a motorcycle. Although Florida Although Florida and other states may not specially require liability insurance, that is the easiest way to specify financial responsibility law is by purchasing a motorcycle insurance policy with liability coverage through an insurance agent, broker directly from an insurance company. Now let's be honest, who wants to pay for an insurance policy that protects other people and their property and that you may never need to use? The answer is the liability insurance actually protects you from having to sell your motorcycle and probably most of the assets you own to pay for the medical bills, loss, wage, pain and suffering and other damages sustained by the person who has injured or killed in a crash. That was fault. As far as paying for something that you probably won't need, consider the fact that when 8.3 million motorcycles registered in the US in 2020, there were 83,000 accident resulting in personal injury and 5579 results in fatalities. Accident with motorcycle happen, and when they do, people get hurt to or die. If the accident is your fault, and the insurance company that issues your motorcycle insurance policy provide a lawyer to defend you against claim by anyone injured or whose property was damaged. It also pay to settle crime. So this was our video. Please comment on our videos and tell us your suggestion. So goodbye.